welcome to Snug Notes. This is Trina. Today we're doing this Project Share, a little 3x4 mini notebook. It is from the collection Roll With It by Echo Park. This is a very cute collection. This is front and the back. Life is what you bake of it. There's a Bible stamp on here. I think it's Psalms 16:8. I will not be shaken. I thought it was pretty cute. It's got a paper clip in the tool. Got a little pocket here. Tag. Fill you with all joy and peace. This has been extra stamps in it because I will be giving this as a gift. Got another pocket here. Pie down there. Another tag. I like the stripes. I like the colors in this. And this is the last folder. Little belly band. And then this one does have the little vellum pocket. That's the back. Thanks for watching.